From the deepest oceans to the edge of outer space, nature has been hiding real-life superheroes in plain sight. These are not myths, and these are not movies. These are real living animals with abilities so extreme that scientists are still struggling to fully understand them. Some can survive conditions that would instantly kill almost any other creature on the planet. Some can reverse the very process of aging, and some move faster than machines built by humans. Today, you're about to meet 9 of these incredible animals, one by one. Stay until the end, because the last one on this list might be the most unbelievable of them all. Number 1 on our list is the octopus, one of the strangest and most misunderstood creatures in the entire ocean. Most animals, including humans, survive with just one heart. The octopus has 3, pumping blue blood through its soft, completely boneless body. But that's only the beginning of what makes this creature so extraordinary. In less than a second, an octopus can completely change both the color and the texture of its skin, vanishing into its surroundings like a living illusion, blending perfectly with rocks, coral, or sand. And because its body contains no bones at all, an octopus can squeeze its entire body through a gap no larger than a coin. Marine biologists have watched octopuses solve complex puzzles in laboratory settings, open sealed jars from the inside to reach food, and even escape from secured aquarium tanks in the middle of the night. Many researchers now believe the octopus may be one of the most intelligent creatures ever studied on this planet, with a level of problem-solving that rivals some mammals. Number 2 belongs to a creature most people have never noticed, yet it hides one of the deadliest weapons in the ocean, the Mantis Shrimp. Its claw strikes with such incredible speed and power that it can shatter aquarium glass and crack open a crab's shell instantly. The strike is so fast, it briefly boils the water around it, creating a tiny flash of light known as cavitation. And its eyes see far more than ours ever could, detecting ultraviolet and polarized light, invisible to almost every other creature on Earth. Small in size, but fearsome in power, this is one of the ocean's most underestimated predators. Number 3 takes us into truly unbelievable territory, the immortal jellyfish. When most living things become old, injured, or sick, their story comes to an end. But this jellyfish rewrites the very rules of life itself. Instead of dying, it has the ability to reverse its own aging process, transforming its cells back into an earlier stage of development, and essentially starting its entire life cycle over again. Scientists have given this creature a name that sounds like something from science fiction: biologically immortal. As far as researchers currently know, this is the only animal on Earth capable of repeating this cycle indefinitely, avoiding death not once, but potentially forever, unless it's eaten by a predator or killed by disease. Number 4 is often called the toughest creature in the known universe, the tardigrade, also known as the water bear. This microscopic animal, smaller than a grain of rice, can survive being frozen to nearly -200 degrees Fahrenheit for years at a time. It can also survive being heated to temperatures well above the boiling point of water, conditions that would instantly destroy almost any other living organism on the planet. In one of the most remarkable experiments in scientific history, researchers sent tardigrades directly into the vacuum of outer space, exposing them to zero oxygen, extreme radiation, and freezing cold. When the experiment ended, scientists brought them back to Earth, and incredibly, many of them were still alive. To this day, nothing we know of seems fully capable of destroying this tiny, unstoppable survivor. Number 5 is a creature that carries its own built-in weapon wherever it goes, the electric eel. This animal can generate a burst of electricity exceeding 600 volts, more than enough voltage to stun a full-grown horse. It uses this incredible natural ability to hunt prey hiding in murky river water, to defend itself from larger predators, and even to communicate with other electric eels through subtle electrical signals. A single powerful shock from this creature is strong enough to knock a fully grown adult human completely off their feet, and repeated shocks have even been known to cause cardiac distress in larger animals nearby. Number 6 brings us to one of the strangest designs found anywhere in nature, the chameleon. Its two eyes can move completely independently of one another, allowing it to look forward and backward at the exact same moment, giving it an almost complete 360-degree view of the world around it, without ever turning its head. This means a chameleon can be scanning for predators behind it, while simultaneously tracking prey directly in front of it. And when the moment comes to strike, its long, sticky tongue shoots outward faster than the blink of a human eye, capturing insects from a surprising distance before they even realize what happened. Number 7 is a bird most of us have seen or heard many times, but very few people truly understand how it survives its own behavior: the woodpecker. This bird slams its head against solid tree wood up to 20 times every single second during a single burst of drumming. In a human being, a single impact anywhere close to that force would cause a severe, life-threatening brain injury. But the woodpecker's skull contains a specialized, natural shock-absorbing structure made of spongy bone and connective tissue, acting like a built-in helmet that protects its brain from every single strike, thousands of times a day, without any lasting damage. Number 8 is a creature that many scientists believe could one day change the future of human medicine entirely: the axolotl. If this small aquatic salamander loses a leg, a tail, or even part of its heart, spinal cord, or brain, it doesn't simply heal over with scar tissue the way most animals do. Instead, it completely regrows the missing body part from scratch, rebuilding bone, muscle, nerves, and skin almost perfectly. Researchers around the world are studying the axolotl's unique genetic code closely, hoping that understanding its regeneration process could one day help humans regrow damaged organs or limbs. And finally, number 9 on our list is the fastest living creature anywhere on planet Earth, the Peregrine Falcon. When this bird spots its prey far below and dives from the sky in what's known as a hunting stoop, it reaches speeds exceeding 240 miles per hour, faster than most professional race cars on a straightaway. At that speed, its body becomes a perfectly streamlined weapon, and in that single terrifying moment, almost nothing in the sky has any real chance of escaping it. 9 animals, 9 seemingly impossible abilities, and yet every single one of them is completely real, living on our planet right now, often in places most of us will never see. Nature has been quietly building real superheroes for millions of years, long before humans ever imagined them in movies, comic books, or video games. So tell us, out of everything you just watched, which power would you choose for yourself if you could have just one? Drop your answer in the comments below. And if this journey into the wild amazed you, don't forget to subscribe for more incredible true stories from the animal kingdom.